Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you folks are staying safe and well. Today I am presenting to you an easy stuffing for the turkey. There's a list of ingredients that you just saw, and there is another list at the description box, and you will need a crock pot for this stuffing recipe today. I love this stuffing recipe because it doesn't call for many ingredients, and especially it doesn't call for eggs. It's egg free. I honestly don't like eggs in stuffings, and I've noticed a lot of recipes out there they call for eggs, so this is a bonus. After you get all your ingredients out, you start by washing them first and then chopping up all the vegetables, the celery, the onions, the parsley, and the apples, all into small cubes. If you don't like the feel of rosemary leaves in your food like me, you can always use a pestle and mortar and then grind them a little bit. After I finish preparing all my vegetables, I'm heating up my skillet on medium high, and after that I will add the cup of butter. My skillet here seems to be heated up, so I am adding the butter, and after it melts, I will add all my vegetables and spices. And just make sure your heat is not too high, because I almost burned my butter here. Oopsie. And don't add the parsley yet, we're saving it for later. I was having fun sliding the butter here around the skillet. Honestly, it was satisfying. After the butter has melted, I added my vegetables, the celery, the onions, and the apples, plus the spices. After adding up all the spices, give it a good stir and let it simmer. Meanwhile, I am preparing my chicken broth because I don't have the liquid one. So I'm using 2 cups, and we'll see how the bread will absorb the liquid. If it needs more, you might need another cup or half a cup. It depends on the type of bread you're using. And this step is very important, is to butter your crock pot so the bread doesn't stick to the sides. The vegetables here look ready and soft. And now we will go to the next step. It's the layering. So the first layer will be bread, and then the second layer will be vegetables, then broth, and then parsley. And then we just keep going like that, layering, until we finish all the ingredients. And now I am going to let it cook on low for 4 hours. You will notice here that I used foil because I was losing humidity. And make sure to use mittens or a spatula when you're trying to open the foil or the lid because I almost burnt myself. Oh, and I can't even describe how delicious it was. The house smelled like stuffings all day. It was very teasing. Bon appetit! Please, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.